Welcome back to Kung Maintenance. Well, I had a pool spa gate latch that wasn't latching properly, and what these have on the top and the bottom is the same type of hinge on both sides. And what you can do is adjust the pivot by loosening the bolt and then tightening the other bolt to move it over or bring it back. Either one, whatever needs to happen to make the latch nice and strong. This particular one, I needed to loosen the bolt and then tighten the other side on just the top, move it over to the left so it would seat better, and that's all it took. Sometimes someone leans on a pole or something and it moves a little bit and you need to go the other way or left or right, whatever needs to happen, but has a lot of customability to adjust that pivot either further away or closer to the latch, whatever needs to happen to make it seat right. Nice, easy deal.
Walking through this world, I can feel the pressure.